Hi guys, me again. So I want to tell you a little bit about Biosense, the blonde toning kit that we just got for in salon treatment. So if you're a consumer, go and ask your stylist about this treatment. So regarding the Biosense blonde toning treatment, not only does it tone this unwanted yellow and brassy tones that's in the hair, it does contain acid violet and blue, which means it neutralizes yellow and orange in the hair. So what's so amazing about this? You've got phase A and phase B. Whoa. So this is your keratin that's infused in the treatment. So this will give you your strengthening properties, and then obviously your accent, which is your blue or blue violet, that will tone the hair. So how this works, you would use equal quantities of each. As you can see, it's a liquid at this moment in time. You would pour this in a tin bowl and mix this with a tin brush. As you go mixing, it actually becomes a gel. And with this gel, it's like an application of a tint that you would put from roots to ends on the client's hair, leave it 5 to 10 minutes, rinse out, and boom, you just did a beautiful keratin treatment, which will strengthen the hair, and you just tone that unwanted brassy tones. Absolutely incredible.